Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll take you through creating lines, creating polylines in AutoCAD Civil 3D from CSV files, from Excel files. So without much ado, have a look on how can we do it. So this is maps also. This is where we put our data directly from maybe the GPS. Let me just open the Excel file first. Oh, it's still loading. Okay, open. So this is our workspace. So we'll choose on one file to work with here, like open space. Still loading. So these are the points that are going to work with. You just select, you hit once, then you select all. After you copy them. After copying, you'll come and paste in Excel. Well, here's our page. You can close this one. Say yes, okay. Then on the first row, the first column, click that, then you paste the data. Then we shall clean our data in this row. So in this column, consider overloaded. You have 37M and the listing points. Just click on this column, then you clean it, and this is how you go about it. Then you select the other files because they are of less important. Then you delete them. Okay, well, then you rearrange these one. Cut. The first column was the listings, so you just rearrange them to be nothing than listings. Come up with the new column. Okay, then that's the first one, B1. Give it a comma and the next text, then C1. Okay, then you double click on that plus sign, select it, sorry, you select it. Oops. After having selected it, you copy. Then now you click on the polyline. Well, then yeah, you click that cursor here, right click, then you paste your data. You paste here the Excel data, paste it here, then just click on the escape button. After having pasted the files, zoom, then you zoom extent. Well, here's your polyline. I trust you can see it clearly. Okay, you can go ahead by just selecting the polyline. Okay, I trust you can see your points clearly. Oh, but with the okay, this is how you treat them. You trim them. Click on the points. Find. Yeah, nice one.